How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off shuffle on Spotify, all you have to do is open the Spotify app. The problem over here seems to be that whenever you're browsing through a specific playlist over here, and instead of having to go ahead and simply actually selecting a specific song and playing the next one after it, it will shuffle it to a random list, and this is one of the things that we do not really want. So what do we do if we do not want to get shuffle? If you want to turn off shuffle, the only way this is possible is by getting a Spotify premium, because on the free version, even if you go to a specific playlist and play a song, you can see I have the shuffle button, but I have no option to turn this shuffle button off. It will not play in a serial order, but it is going to play in a random order from here. So make sure you go to premium tab, get the premium, and only you'll be able to turn off shuffle. So hope this video helps you understand this question as to how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.